Do you want to increase your earnings? Starting a side hustle is a popular way to supplement your income. Today, more than 1 in every 3 Americans has a side hustle in addition to their day job to supplement their income. Even so, creating a successful side hustle is not easy. Committing to more than one job and doing well in both takes time, effort, and a lot of energy. For those of us who are already exhausted by the day-to-day grind but want to increase our financial security, how do we know if starting a side hustle is worthwhile, let alone what kind of side hustle to start? So in today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing website that has the ability to help you make a lot of money online and earn up to $500 in a single day. And you can do it all with no prior knowledge or experience. It is completely free and available all over the world, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video because I'll give you some bonus resources and free tools to help you get started. Hey, welcome to MoneyTalk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn money by uploading ebooks from this free website. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So before I reveal the secret of today's strategy, I want you to look at this website, which is on Amazon.com, and then go to the Kindle book section. Now, in this section of this website, you can see that there are many people selling ebooks starting at $4.99. Some of them are even $14.99. You'll notice that a lot of people are making a lot of money using this strategy. On average, over 1,800 people are now purchasing these Kindle ebooks. So, if one Kindle ebook costs $14.99 and over 1,800 people buy it, we can see that by simply posting one Kindle ebook, we can earn nearly $27,000 in US dollars, okay? And you don't need any experience or money to get started. This is completely free, and all you have to do is copy and paste into a template that I'll show you in today's video. So, the next website I want you to check is visma.co. So basically, this website allows you to create a very beautiful and professional ebook and sell it for a lot of money without any prior experience. So this is the 3-step procedure. You gotta listen. So, in step 1, you must select a done-for-you template, but there are numerous templates to choose from. Step 2 is to select a done-for-you template from which you can select and edit whatever you want. For example, you can change the text, the font size, and the font color, and anything else you want, okay? Then, in step 3, you can get this ebook for free. And you can begin publishing on Amazon and making a lot of money online right now. So, when you get to the homepage of this website, I want you to go ahead and click on the Create button. And then you can just scroll down and click on the document icon to be taken to a page where you can begin creating beautiful documents. So this means you can write an ebook. This is completely free. You don't need any money to do it, okay? So you'll be taken to a page where you can sign up for a free account from anywhere in the world and begin creating your ebook. You only need to enter your name, email address, and password before clicking the register button. After that, you'll be taken to a page that asks, "What do you want to use with me for?" So in this case, I'd like you to select personal. So you can log into your dashboard and start creating documents from there. So now you will notice that there are various documents. For example, reports, proposals, resumes, cover letters, and so on. And I want you to click for ebooks, where you can see different templates that are both professional and beautiful. So you'll notice that there are literally hundreds of different done-for-you templates that you can simply click on to have everything done for you 100% automatically. And you don't need to spend any money to do so. So, let me give you the first bonus tip right now. Now, as you can see in the Kindle ebook section, there are a lot of categories of ebooks that you can sell on this website. For example, arts and photography, business and money, and education and teaching are all viable options. However, I want you to concentrate on health, fitness, and dieting because it is the most profitable category, which means you can make a lot of money online with little competition. Okay, before I continue, you know what? Let me just ask you this. I'm just really curious. Did you ever read ebooks? Or are you literally obsessed with them? You know what? Let me know your thoughts down below so that we can talk about it more. Okay, so once you've decided on the category you want to focus on, which is health and fitness, you look for a template that is appropriate for this type of category. And once you've done that, you'll see there is a lot of information included inside your chosen template, and it is basically a done-for-you ebook that you can just copy and paste, or you can just edit anything that you want in the template. So, once you're happy and satisfied with that, simply click the download button. You can do this on your phone or on your computer. Another suggestion is to visit this website, freeplrdownloads.com. Okay, so this website essentially contains a large number of ebooks that you can simply copy and paste and download for free. They are all done for you, and there are a lot of categories. And as we focus on health, you will come across this category of health. So you will notice that there are literally hundreds of different ebooks available for free download. There are numerous ebooks available in the health category. So after you've finished downloading all the health category books, you can move on to another category such as internet marketing, relationships, or self-help. There are a lot of categories of ebooks on which you can focus on and begin selling them on Amazon to earn a lot of money. So Free PLR Downloads website can help you with that. Once you've obtained all the ebooks through visma.co or freeportdownloads.com, the next step is to upload them to Amazon. So you're going to Kindle Direct Publishing or kdp.amazon.com right now. Now that you've arrived at this website, you can begin publishing your own ebooks and start making money. And you can see how fast it is. It only takes less than 5 minutes to publish, and your Kindle store will be available worldwide in as little as 24 hours. All you have to do is create an Amazon selling account and you can start earning money right away. However, if you are completely new to Amazon, you can scroll down below and click New to KDP. You can create your KDP account here. You can create an account for free from anywhere in the world. So you just need to simply enter your name, email address, password, and confirm your password to create your KDP account. And this is where you can begin publishing your ebooks by simply uploading them to Amazon. And they'll be automatically begin selling them for you from all over the world. This is where the magic begins. So now that you know all of this information, are you ready to sell some ebooks to some bookworms? You know what? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!